Hello, having a little cheese and crackers today, some aged salamis, and what goes better with a little cheese and crackers than wine? A good wine. Yeah, I don't know if this is a good wine or not. You can be the judge of that. However, it always entertains me when I go in a restaurant and I see a waiter struggling with a wine opener. They don't know what they're doing and they have a hard time. That's okay. Waiters are entertaining. So, I want to show you something here. This is a cool product. This comes from Italy, and we import them. This is called the Boomerang wine opener. You've got a really nice heavy-duty spiral. You've got an easy, let me see, it's actually a two-step on most of the models. It's a two-step opener. Lets you lift the cork out, extract it easily. And the built-in foil cutter, oh my God, it doesn't get any better than this. It's simple. They're not expensive. We also imprint companies' names on there. So if you're looking for a little advertising or you want the edge, country club, restaurant, winery, cruise ships, whatever, we do all of them. Just contact chefdepot.com. This is the Boomerang. So once again, the Boomerang wine opener. Simple, easy to use, compact, fits in your pocket. The waiter's not going to struggle. I love it. Put it on like this. Large bottle, small bottle, you give it a twist. That's it. I'm done. It's open. Doesn't matter if it's foil or if it's plastic. Opens it right up. Now if you want to remove the cork, it's very simple. Same as any other cork screw. You just put it in like this. Give it a twist, round and round. Put the little step foot there. Give it a pull. You're done. It's that easy. So it only takes a few seconds. No more waiters, sideshows, entertainment, all that stuff. You know, it's simple. Now you know where to get it. Have a great day. I'll be drinking and eating. Slicing a little Asiago here. Thought I'd share it with you. This knife cuts so frickin' nice. Wow, I like it. Check it. All the slices are nice and uniform. So easy. Boomerang wine opener. Awesome. Simple, easy to use. 4 little cutting wheels. Fits any bottle. You put it on the bottle and you give it a twist. That's it. Cuts the foil, easy as can be. I like it. They're also made in Italy. The quality's very, very high. They don't break. I've been using one of these, you know, for many, many years. So now you've seen it. Comes in all these amazing colors and a few other ones as well. And large quantity discounts. chefdepot.com. Have a beautiful day.